Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 602 Sable Oaks Lane in Penfield.
This is the ultimate Penfield dream home. So let's take a tour. This spectacular grand foyer welcomes you to this elegant home with architectural detailing, columns, and cherry floors.
Step into luxury with this great room featuring a spacious living area with cathedral ceilings, a wall of windows, and a gorgeous gas fireplace. Open to a designer chef's eat-in kitchen, boasting custom dark cherry cabinetry, granite countertops and backsplash, high-end appliances, and a breakfast bar. Leading to a dining area with a tiered box ceiling, all with a built-in sound system, American cherry hardwood floors, and a covered porch with scenic nature views.
The first floor also features a spacious bedroom with an adjacent full bathroom, and this fantastic master suite with a tray ceiling, a spacious walk-in closet, and an ultimate spa bathroom.
With the same craftsmanship of the first floor, this amazing walkout lower level is ideal for entertaining or an in-law suite, featuring a second designer kitchen with beautiful cherry cabinets, granite countertops with a rare zebra wood breakfast bar, and stainless steel appliances. Open to a living area with a wood beam ceiling and a gorgeous gas fireplace, and a dining area with a box ceiling and patio access, all with cherry floors, plus a bedroom with a walk-in closet and a stunning full bathroom. This private patio is the perfect setting for entertaining family and friends with scenic views.
This property has an ideal location, close to schools, shopping, a short commute to downtown Rochester, and nearby parks.
Nearby, the town of Penfield offers great restaurants and shops. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 602 Sable Oaks Lane in Penfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!